So today we are here and suppose this structure I will tell you. मैं भी आपसे बात करूंगा तो I will also talk to you. Ritesh has told you that how to use this sentence. मैं पहले से सर ने आपको बता दिया कैसे क्या यूज करना बताइए. देखिए आल्सो का यूज होता है सेंटेंस के बीच में. किसके बीच में? सेंटेंस के बीच में. और किसका? इधर का यूज होता है सेंटेंस के लास्ट में, चाहे वो आपका पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस हो चाहे वो आपका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. डिपेंड आप पे करता है कि आपको सेंटेंस को कैसे क्या बनाना है. थर्ड में आते हैं इवन. आपका इवन स्टार्ट में आता है उसकी सेंटेंस की शुरुआत से होती है इवन से. फिर बात करता हूँ इवन आपका बीच में भी आ सकता है. मतलब सेंटेंस की हम कहीं से कह नहीं सकते कहाँ से कहाँ आ सकता है. उसके बाद हम आते हैं हमारे अगले फ्रेजल वर्ब्स. आपको पता है फ्रेजल वर्ब किसे कहते हैं? जो वर्ब्स जो फ्रेजल वर्ब होता है प्रीपोजिशन और वर्ब से मिलकर बनी होती है उसको हम फ्रेजल बोलते हैं. जैसे हम सपोज काम डाउन तो मतलब क्या होता है? शांत. और कीप क्वाइट का मतलब भी वही होता है. उसके बाद फुल्ली साइलेंट का मतलब होता है कि सपोज पूरा शांत सुन जाना. सपोज डील विद का मतलब है निपटाना. वैसे भी काम आपका है उसको हम निपटाने बोलते हैं डील. और शिक्षा या अधूरी छोड़ना, शिक्षा अधूरी छोड़ना ड्रॉप आउट. ड्रॉप का मतलब अलग होता है, पानी की बूंद भी होता है लेकिन उसमें आउट लग गया मतलब प्रीपोजिशन जोड़ दिया है ना. उसके बाद क्या होता है? होटल आदि में रजिस्टर करना तो उसको चेक इन. चेक का मतलब सिर्फ जो हम चेक करते हैं और चेक इन को. उसके बाद बिल भरना और छोड़ना चेक आउट. चेक मतलब अभी चेक आप चेक आउट बिल भरना. और बात करते हैं इडियम. हमारे जो इडियम होते हैं जो हम बोलते हैं उनको फ्लाई टू अ लेक. आग बबूला होना. फ्लाई टू, जैसे मैं आग बबूला हो गया तो आई फ्लू इनटू अ लेक. मैं आग बबूला हो चुका हूं. आई हैव फ्लोन इनटू द लेक. Sometimes we use this sentence and sometimes we don't use because you know whatever we speak na somebody thinks that what is he speaking or not, he is speaking good or not. But if you focus on your work and then whatever you tell other people, they will listen you carefully and they will tell you about this structure then you are speaking or not. But only we have to focus on this structure or we have to tell them what are we reading, what are we speaking. Suppose you are writing and you are coming there. Suppose you said to me that sir, a day before yesterday I thought that I wanted to come ultimate. Suddenly I forget that I had some work. Then I thought myself that if I come ultimate, what does it teach? Several teach same work. That's why I don't want to come sir. And also I sent a sentence. And also I sent a paragraph. You read. You know. I wanted to say you that day that you can waste your 2 hours, 3 hours with your friend, with your family members, whatever you can't speak English. Why? I think you must speak. You must show your talent. Because you know if you speak now, somebody will be inspired and they will be appreciated by you. Because whatever we speak now, we don't use our language. And we don't want to show other people that what are we speaking. But in my opinion, and I think that if I can do it, why you can't do it? You know, because of other people, they use their knowledge. That what did they study today and what will read they tomorrow, and what they done day before yesterday. They remember all these things. But we memorize. We don't want to say our talent, our knowledge, that what are we speaking, we are speaking so much or not. But you are gigantic future. And you are gigantic this entire world that you can use your knowledge more than more. Suppose you are speaking, anybody will speak. And suppose you are not speaking, they will not speak. मतलब what we can say, if you come, definitely they will come. You don't want to come, then how will they come? Suppose I'm here. I'm teaching only few students, and I'm not teaching other students. I'm not going to tell that I'm teacher. I'm teaching a tuition class. It's my purpose that I'm teaching whatever I'm going to use. If I don't to show you, then how will you come? Only you will come and you will spare your time. But if I show my talent in front of you that I teach here, I teach my school, and I do some work, after that I do work hard, definitely students will come and then they will think if he can do it, why we can't do it? That you have golden opportunity and awesome time. Only I want to say to you, and I want to tell you that you have so much time. Suppose you have 365 days. What we can say? 365 days. Then you have to spend 65 days and you have to save 300 days. If you save, definitely your work will be done. Any festival comes, does not matter. Diwali will come, Holi will come, Dasera will come, Republic Day will come, Independence Day will come. Every festival will come, but we have to focus on our target. All we have to give somebody 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, but we have to collect. I had gone their side, I had given my 2 hours him, and I have to repeat. I have to write a paragraph. After that, I have to speak whatever I spoke in front of her, in front of him. Then I have to speak 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. If you speak, your English will be tremendous in coming up time. That's all. Thank you very much.